All right, so I have been to 28 countries, and here are the top 5 things you will never catch me without. All right, we're gonna make this quick and easy. Number 1, a universal travel adapter. Okay, this works in any country you go to. Okay, you just click the button, close it back in. America, UK, and Europe. And also the Arab countries for the most part. The cool thing I love about this is that it also takes in all of the different ports that it lets out, so you can plug in anything. And then it also has 3 USB-Cs and then 2 regular USBs. Definitely a must. It's like really all you need. I don't know what more you would need than this. So that's number 1. Number 2, my popular portable charger. Okay, this one is serious. This is a game changer. Everyone that sees this is like, what the heck is that? But it's so amazing. So let me tell you why. First of all, this can operate off solar, which I rarely use it for solar, but camping people, whatever, very nice benefit. It does have lights, so if you're ever in a situation where you need a good light, this is your thing. But I need to click, I have to find out where to click it on. As you can see, I really never use the light either, but it's like a double tap or hold on the power button. I don't know, but it works. I just don't know how to do it. I don't read instructions, that's why. Anyways, so besides the 2 things that I don't really use, it has a wireless charger, which comes in super handy when I take my phone in the water and then I can't plug it in. So I can just put it on here and I make sure it gets charged. So, woo! Y'all don't even understand how many times that has come in clutch. And then obviously the most important is you don't need to have any wires around. This has the lightning cable for iPhone, the old iPhones, has USB-C, it has the old Android as well, and then it has a regular USB that you can plug in, and like charge it. And then also, let's say you want to, you have your own wires, you can also plug in your wire, you'll see the in and out, whatever, and you use it accordingly. So this thing is serious. It lasts for a very long time. It can charge like 4 or 5 phones before it empties out, and it's fast too. So this is a little bulky, but man, I tell you, as a solo female traveler, this thing has saved me so many times. I lost it once and I didn't know how to act. None of the portable chargers were like doing what I needed. I'm outside a lot. I need this. Let's keep it moving. Number 3, which is technically 2 things, but I consider it 1 because they go hand in hand. So a blanket and a pillow. And I know this doesn't look like a pillow, but this is the pillow that you actually stuff yourself, and you can put in your own clothes, which also saves you money on luggage. Yes, keep up. So this comes in super handy. You can fill it up, wrap it around your neck, boom, now you got all your clothes. Man, you guys don't understand how amazing this thing is. It also opens up. You can basically like strap it around you like this, have all your belongings with you that you need, have it in front of you. It comes in super handy in the front because it's like, you can't really see it, but you can like use it to like hold your hands. And then also in the airplanes, you guys know how like the side can get uncomfortable if you're trying to like lay. You can put this there and then you won't feel it anymore. So it can double as a pillow or like, I don't know what to call it, but something to stop the pain during your travels. Or you can lean over. Same thing on a bus, a train, whatever, those uncomfortable, you just want to lean over sometimes. So pillow, blanket, you never know when you're going to get cold. You never, bro, y'all don't understand. These are so important. All right, let's keep on moving. Number 4 is a medicine bag. All right, this is super important. I put Band-Aids, alcohol, Motrin, Claritin, vitamins. Like, we're stocked. We never know what situation we're going to be in while we're traveling. And, we might not be able to stop. So, you just don't know. You just don't know what's going to happen. I even have, the pain thingies for your back. And these, I'm telling you, You're gonna remember me. You're gonna remember me. And then the fifth thing is, of course, the luggage. Now, I've tried so many different pieces of luggage, and when I tell you this right here is my go-to carry-on bag, it's the best. Like, it's gone through so much, like, to the point where it's like, it's not even bad for how I treat it and how I stuff it, and it does like extend. So it has double wheels, which it's been through the Cairo airport many times and it hasn't broken. And that should tell you a lot about how durable this is. But yep, so this is my go-to. It has pockets, it has like the charging thing, all the works you could possibly need. Yeah. So really that's it. Those are my top 5 items. That looks like 10, but 5. The link is in the bio for the Amazon, whatever. It'll make it super easy. I made a specific link with just these 5 items. And then if you want to find other stuff, I'll also put the link for that as well. There's a lot of other things I use, like the Bluetooth adapter headphone thing, so that way I can use my AirPods while I am in flight and watching a movie in flight. I use my AirPods instead of their headphones. But yeah, so there's a lot of things besides these 5, but these are the top 5. Like, no matter what, we gonna be having these. Okay? So, see you guys next time.